Hi foodies, happy holidays and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Morena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today I take you guys all the way to the Volta region of Ghana. In a Voltarian home, when we say fast food, this is one of them. We are making abobitadi, aka anchovy stew. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. This stew is super fast and uses basic ingredients. You don't need much to do it. As always, all ingredients used will be in the description below, so do well to check it out. All you need is some tomatoes, pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, and our star ingredients, Keta Schoolboys, which is from Kobo Snails, and we also have some palm oil from KillCellNet. Their details will be in the description, so do check it out. So we start off by beheading our Keta Schoolboys or dried anchovies. By beheading, this is what I mean. You just pick your Keta Schoolboys or anchovies and then you just take the head off. So this is how it's done. So let me quickly finish that and then we continue our stew. Once that is done, you transfer your Keta Schoolboys into a frying pan without oil, of course, and then we'll pan roast it for about 5 minutes on medium heat. Once you are done pan roasting it, you transfer it into a bowl. Now in the bowl, just add some water and then you rinse your anchovies or abobi thoroughly. Because of how it's preserved, it comes with a lot of sand sometimes, so you have to rinse it off in the on top of the water like so, and then you take it out and then you pour the water away, and you do it for about 2 to 3 times. Now I put sea salt in the final water because anchovies itches my throat, but I found out washing it with sea salt doesn't make me itch, so that's why you saw me pouring some sea salt at the end. Moving on, we are going to blend our vegetables. So we're just going to blend our tomatoes, pepper, garlic, ginger with onion, and we added a little bit of water into the blender. We blend it and set it aside. In your saucepan, pour in palm oil. Our palm oil is correct Volta Jomi from KillCellNet. Their details is going to be in the description, so do check them out. Heat up the oil for some few minutes and then you add in sliced onions. Now you just have to stir the onions for a few minutes and then you add some cured fish or momone. My video wasn't recorded when I was adding it, so you missed that step. Anyway, once you add your cured fish, just give it a minute or two and then you pour in your blended vegetables. Allow it to simmer on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Go in with some shrimp powder or a stock cube. The shrimp powder takes the taste to a whole new level, and if you know, you know. Our stew has been simmering on medium heat for 15 minutes now. So we went ahead and added our star ingredients, which is our anchovies, aka abobi, aka Keta Schoolboys, and then we stirred it in. But I realized my protein was just too small, so I added some 1,000. Okay, yeah, I know, enumude. Sweet tooth. So we just stirred that in and allowed it to simmer for a few minutes. I added salt to taste as well and just kept it on medium heat just for the stew to slowly cook. In total, about 20-25 minutes, our stew was almost ready. So as you all know, to lock in the flavor, I had to add in some pakpo shito or green habanero pepper and some sliced onion to lock in all that flavor. Adjust the pepper to your taste and preference, okay? Stir that in and then just allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes and our stew was ready. Obviously, as a vegetarian, I served mine with some hot ewokbele jojoe. So let me know what you'll be pairing this stew with. It will go well with banku as well. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you all so much for sticking by us throughout the year. I hope you've learned a whole lot of recipe this year. Let me know in the comments what your favorite recipe on this channel has been. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share with your friends and family. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.